Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor file activity with Process Monitor step by step. A Process Monitor is a Microsoft Sysinternals tool that lets you watch file operations in real time, making it easier to troubleshoot application errors, missing files, and unexpected system behavior. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. The application will immediately begin capturing system events, including file system activity, registry access, and process events. Next, click the Capture button on the toolbar to pause the live stream while you set up a filter. Then open the Filter menu and select Filter. Create a filter for the specific process or application you want to monitor, and click Add, then OK. This helps eliminate unrelated events and makes the results much easier to read. Now click the Capture button again to resume monitoring. Perform the action you want to investigate, such as opening a program, saving a file, or reproducing an error. Process Monitor will record every file operation performed by the selected process in real time. When you're finished, pause the capture and review the results. You can examine details such as the process name, file path, operation type, result, and timestamp. Double-click any event to open additional information for deeper analysis. If you need to keep a record of your findings, save the captured events to a log file so you can review them later or share them with someone helping you troubleshoot the issue. And that's it. You now know how to monitor file activity with Process Monitor and use it to diagnose file-related problems on Windows. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.